Happy Monday! Greetings from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. As you can see, Alteide is still without snow. There was some rescue action because people go there normally at night. I was there 2 times at night. Just be careful, please. Check the weather if you want to go there, because up there can be really cold weather and then you have to go back. Okay, so be smart. Video about the weather. So we have lovely, almost 10 o'clock, no clouds yet. Lovely 21 degrees, expecting 25 today. So we absolutely cannot complain. Let's walk a little bit. Lovely morning surfing. The ocean is quite low. You have to be careful, there are some rocks. Even small wave can be helpful and funny. So one more time trail to La Paz from here. It's 9:59 right now, and let's start. How many minutes we need to get up to La Paz? Fast walking, no running.
Only one.
Hola chica, ¿qué tal?
¿Qué tal?
Bebecito, ¿todo bien?
Todo perfecto.
Perfecto, encantado. Agatha Christie Stairs, must-see place in Puerto. Lots of walkers this morning. There we are, Plaza de La Paz, the peace. And yeah, it took exactly 10 minutes to get here. What do you think? Nice. Probably my record. So we were down there, now we are here. It took 10 minutes, but it was, yeah, really fast walking. What do you think, El Niño? Yeah, it was. So happy Monday, best wishes from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.
Qué poco amor posible el momento, ¿eh?